everyone, and welcome back to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Nike Dunk Low Special Edition in the Multi Camo colorway. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Hey everyone, and welcome back to another unboxing and review. If you're new here, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on, as well as check out our join button. We've got some amazing membership perks on there that you're not going to want to miss out on, as well as an amazing merch store with some great shade items. So be sure to head on over to that website after this episode is finished. As mentioned earlier, we're going to be talking about the Nike Dunk Low Special Edition in the Multi Camo colorway. Pretty excited about this colorway. It's different than any Dunk that I own so far. Actually, I don't really have any camo except for my Air Max 90s. So I'm extremely stoked to do the overview on this. Then we're going to jump into size and fit, followed by styling. Had so much fun styling this. As you all know, I do love green in my wardrobe, so this was a fun one to style. Then we're going to conclude with how these are doing on the resale market. All right, so let's jump into it. I'm going to actually have to kind of go through both shoes just because these colors are actually differing. So if you look at the toe box here, we've got two different camos. So we've actually seen images of the black and white camo that we've seen, the multicolored black and white one. I didn't get those, but these are in more of a kind of natural camo tone, which this one has a gray and just a darker gray hue to it, while this one has oranges and yellows and browns. I really love how they swapped the camo print. And then we've got this sail textile base, which actually feels a very militaristic in a sense where it's like, this is what a uniform I feel like would feel like. So I do love that they use these different materials, some really cool leather on that toe. As you can see, the colors look really cool, but it's definitely got a nice textured, high quality leather. As we work our way up, we have simple white laces, a nylon white tongue, and then just this nice evergreen tone on the top for the Nike branding, as well as some of those evergreen hues in the inside portion of the tongue, as well as the collar. So let's look at those details up close and personal. But before actually we go on, I want to talk about the eyelets and how the camo is actually different on the eyelets as well. These are completely swapped. This one has gray and this one has like a maroon and light green and dark evergreen. So let's take a closer look at those. All right, so moving on to the side panels. Again, more just warm toned camo prints that we're seeing on both versions of this shoe. Underlays of that just Resale hue on the textile fabric. Then we've got some more interesting material on this swoosh mark in the evergreen colorway. More of that crinkled leather in the maroon and evergreen color on this shoe. Then we've got an embroidered basketball on the back with a Nike swoosh in the middle, which is nicely done on top of that leather. Again, you can see that the colors are swapped. We've got the embroidered Nike on the back there as opposed to the basketball, and the camo again is swapped on these. So really cool how they really diversified the camo and textures that they decided to go with on this shoe. The insoles are both the same color in black with a pop of orange for the Nike and swoosh mark branding. And then the shoe is completed with a simple white rubber midsole and then that evergreen outsole. All right, let's take a look at those final details. Moving on to size and fit. For those of you who don't know my foot type, I do have narrow high arch feet. So I stuck true to size on these ones. I would say stick true to size. I'm a 7.5 in men's, which is equivalent to a woman's size 9. But if you do have a wide flat feet, that could decipher a different size for you, as well as I do tend to like to wear my shoes on the larger size. So a little bit of extra space in the toe box region works best for me. But on this one, again, I do recommend just sticking true to size. All right, let's move into styling. So I had so much fun styling this, and one of the styling options I want to kind of talk about is the first one, which was a camo printed dress. Obviously, this is going to go great with any type of camo because there's so many mixtures and color variations. I feel like you really can't screw up with what kind of camo you do decide to wear with this because it hits every single color pattern of camo I've really seen, except obviously that black and white. But I do think that that gray and white texture really kind of complements those colorways if that's what you're trying to match.
I know say you be painting, nah, yeah. The way you they move, they make me go, ga, 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 ga. So what's your name? Say everything you they talk not true, now what's your name? Don't be say I did come to now what's your name? Oluwa, can't take controller. You're looking for love.
I wore that in a dress, but for the second look, I wanted to show you guys out there who sometimes are like, I would never obviously wear a dress, but I wanted to show you that dress actually tucked into some cargo pants. So this is a way you can kind of compare a dress piece that you can incorporate into your wardrobe. So if I have a camo print dress, think of it in a respectable way of I can just pair this with a t-shirt or a shirt, a button down, with the kind of same color tones and patterns. So that's what I used in the second look and tucked that into just some nice, simple green cargo pants.
For love and it's not what you're used to. It's heaven and girl, it's real. So what's your name?
Cause I don't know it. I'm trying to know you for more than a moment. Seen you across the room, girl, you posing. Ain't nobody stopping you when you knows it. Mine on the words, so listen. Your name means wisdom. Yeah, I can tell by your wave you different. Seen a lot of lanes in your day, you suspicious. Ain't easily blown away. Who is this? All that money and nice won't flatter your life. I was drawn to your light and your love for the Christ. I don't know your name and the things that you like. Let's spend the day playing Kirk.
And then for the last and final look, I decided to just keep it simple. So I have this light green, kind of army color green t-shirt that I tucked into some simple gray sweatshirts. It is so hot in New York right now. It is so toasty. So wearing pants is it's a little difficult with you know, feeling like it's in the hundreds and extremely humid. So it feels good to be wearing sweats right now, or not sweats, but sweat shorts that are not long sweatpants.
Kirk and Brian McKnight, because one, you're like a dream come true, and then two, I wanna be with you, and then three, when we done, we probably end up back at one, sweet lady.
Don't be say they talk like you waka for your waka, nah. I know say you know say you be painting, nah, nah. Yeah, yeah. The way where you they move, they make me go, ga, 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 ga. So what's your...
All right, you let me know the 3 looks. What was your favorite, or how would you style these?
We all fall, that's Lordy, baby. That's right, can't control it, but that's life, yeah. Let's spend time more than we spend cash. You only got one life and it do end fast. But oh, I know you got problems, know you at the bottom, know you took a loss today. Everybody want bottles, living for a throttle. You just wanna buy today. Tell me joy where it's hiding. I've been trying to find it before I go all the way. Cause everybody got problems, everybody starving, but don't you go off today, yeah. Don't you go off now. That's right. Yeah, yeah. Don't you go off now. That's right. Yeah, I've been trying to find the light, waiting on it, trying to get the timing right. Switch it up, had to get my mind right. Now it's my time and I'm gonna shine bright. Yeah, look, I've been trying to find the light, waiting on it, trying to get the timing right. Switch it up, had to get my mind right. Now it's time and I'm about to shine bright. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Shine bright. Yeah, shine bright. Joy in the light. Yeah, look, ooh, everybody got problems. Everybody got problems. You just wanna solve them. Live it up, I call it. That's right. Oh, I know you got problems. Know you at the bottom. Know you took a loss today. Everybody want bottles. Living for a throttle. You just wanna buy today. Tell me joy where it's hiding. I've been trying to find it before I go all the way. Cause everybody got problems. Everybody starving, but don't you go off today, yeah. Don't you go off now. That's right. Yeah, yeah.
Now let's conclude with how these are doing on the resale market. So these retail at $110. These are really high quality. So I think this is a steal for $110. I'm not gonna lie, with all of the great materials that they used and how they really interchanged the colors and just the materials on the exterior and interior portion of the shoe are high quality. But this is going between $180 to $265 on the high end. All right, that's it for this unboxing and review. Thanks again so much for tuning in. If you're new here, thanks for joining us. Be sure to hit that subscribe if you have not already. Give this video a thumbs up. It means the world to the channel, as well as leave me any comments or questions on the shoe down below if you have any. Hit that notification bell because we have so much heat coming out and I don't want you to miss out on it, especially since I'm going to be heading over to SneakerCon next week. So stay tuned for some exciting live videos while I'm there. Be sure to hit that join button. Also, we've got some amazing membership perks as well as an amazing merch store. All right, that's it for this episode. This is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. We will catch you all in the next one.